Hey Dave. So anyways, the exhaust system is now in. So there's the down pipe, and that goes to the end of the down pipe, which is where I have the upstream O2 sensor, brand new, which is the OE product, by the way, from Denso. And then we move into the catalytic converter. All right, and then we've got the hanger set up here. And then that's the downstream oxygen sensor, also OE Denso. The piping and the catalytic are made by Walker. So that goes into a Walker quiet flow muffler. And then it's really kind of difficult to see, but you can see those gear ties that I have using as temporary hangers right now for the back of the muffler, because the actual hangers that are there aren't close enough to the factory hanger positions to put those rubber mounts. So I'm going to have a shop finish that off for me, and then retain those or bring me back those zip ties or gear ties. All right, then we move back to the back where you see it come over the axle, and then there it ends right there with the tailpipe exiting there and the new hanger and bracket assembly. So anyways, that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up, see how it goes.